Hello everyone. So in this video we'll create a Google Kubernetes engine a cluster, that is GKE, using the Gemini chat window and Cloud Shell. So I am in the Google Cloud dashboard, and here if you see open Gemini, just click it. So you'll have a chat window will open, and also click on this activate Cloud Shell. So the Cloud Shell will also get open. So now let's see GCloud version, all working fine. Okay. Let's clear it. Now what I will do is I'll just ask Gemini that uh, please please give me my current. Okay, let me ask, please give me GCloud command to create um, GKE autopilot. Okay, and with region, because autopilot require region US Central 1, and cluster name um, as say GKE 001. Okay, that should be okay, or I would simply say GKE cluster 001. Okay, with default project ID. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we got GCloud container cluster create auto, and here it is, and this is my project ID. And if we need to verify that how to, because there are they always have a double check very on that. So I'll just say GKE create using GCloud autopilot. Okay, and if you see create autopilot, and here there is a command, we have a console terraform, and here this is a GCloud, so it does not require. Okay, it is same as that. So I'll just simply put into the notepad and look pretty similar. GCloud container cluster create auto, and gcluster 001, this cluster name, the region is US Central 1, and the project is my current. So I'll just simply paste over here in the Cloud Shell and say enter. So authorize, it will ask you for the authorization, and it will start creating the cluster. So let's wait for some time, because it will take time for maybe a minute or two, or maybe sometime 3-4 minutes. Now our cluster has created, here you can say, and here at the end you can see it is done. All right, and it's giving you the basic information, number of nodes, node version, then the machine type, it is small, then the machine IP, master IP, the master version, location, that is US Center 1 that we have provided, and the cluster name is GK cluster 001. So now let's verify. I will just simply search Kubernetes cluster, and you can see here it is in a green status. All right, now let us just click on this cluster, and I'll simply say click on this connect, and it will give you this gcloud credential command to get the credential, and copy it and just paste over here. This again, let's copy, or just click on this run on cloud shell. It will directly paste into cloud shell, and just click on it, and now the Kubernetes credential are on your local. All right, so now we will deploy the nginx, a simple image, and I will just simply ask that first of all I'll just create a new tab and click on this open editor, and I will paste this file, that is YML. So I'll just ask, meanwhile I can Ask Gemini that give me YML deployment um, for Nginx with external port 80. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we got this YML. What I'll do, I'll just simply um, create a file over here. I'll go back to open terminal and I'll just simply say lslrt, and here I have a demo folder. So let's create mkdir nginx hello and nginx. Okay, mk and cd nginx. And now if I go to the editor and open folder, and if I say nginx hello, say OK. This is a Cloud Shell editor, and just click on the file deploy.yml. Okay, okay, and I'll just simply paste this all YML. So this is simply nginx deployment, um, the whole YML, and we have a targeted port called 80, and we have a load balancer. If you can see this type of service, that is a load balancer. So we will export um, or we can connect from the outside internet for the same, right? So I'll just save it and I'll go to the open terminal and I'll simply say kubectl apply f and just deploy YML. Now let's see. Okay, so now let us see kubectl get ports. So one is pending. Now deploy. Okay, still not ready. So let's see service, and we have external IP service also pending. So now let's wait for some time and just keep trying these three commands. And after a few minutes, if you try again, then kubectl get ports and looks running. Let's check the logs on this pod. I just copy and start worker processes. Start worker processes 32, 33 looks okay. And if I say kubectl get svc, then IP address is also there. I'll just copy and paste into the browser. Let's see. And our application is comfortably running. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.